Hello, friends. Welcome back to our Russian language learning course. I'm Nick, and today we will continue our journey by learning the final 11 letters of the Russian alphabet. Let's get started. The Russian alphabet consists of 33 letters. Last time, we learned the first 22. Today, we will focus on the remaining 11.
Х, Ц, Ч, Ш, Щ, твердый знак, И, мягкий знак, Ю, Я.
Each letter has its own unique sound and writing. Let's begin. The first letter is
Х,
Repeat after me.
Х,
Example word
Хлеб,
means bread in English. Let's say it together.
хлеб,
The next letter is
Ц,
Repeat after me.
Ц,
Example word
цветок,
means flower. Repeat.
цветок,
The letter
Ч,
Repeat after me.
Ч,
Example word
часы,
means clock. Let's say it together.
часы,
The letter
Ш,
Repeat.
Ш,
Example
шар,
means ball. Let's say it together.
шар,
The letter
Щ,
Repeat.
Щ,
Example
щетка,
means brush. Repeat.
щетка,
The letter
твердый знак,
This letter is called the hard sign and it doesn't have a sound. It makes the preceding consonant hard. Example
объект,
means object. Repeat.
объект,
The letter U.
И,
Repeat.
И,
Example
сыр,
means cheese. Repeat.
сыр,
The letter
мягкий знак,
This letter is called the soft sign and it doesn't have a sound. It makes the preceding consonant soft. Example
пальто,
means coat. Repeat.
пальто,
The letter Repeat. Example
эхо,
means echo. Repeat.
эхо,
The letter
Ю,
Repeat.
Ю,
Example
юла,
means spinning top. Repeat.
юла,
And finally, the letter
Я,
Repeat.
Я,
Example
яблоко,
means apple. Repeat.
яблоко,
Great. Now let's practice pronouncing these letters and words together. Repeat after me.
Х, хлеб, Ц, цветок, Ч, часы, Ш, шар, Щ, щетка, твердый знак, объект, И, сыр, мягкий знак, пальто, эхо, Ю, юла, Я, яблоко.
Fantastic job. Today, we learned the final 11 letters of the Russian alphabet. Keep practicing and pronounce the letters and words out loud to remember them better. In the next series, we will dive deeper into Russian grammar and vocabulary. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and leave comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. And don't forget to watch our shorts. In them, you can review the letters and words we learned today and practice pronunciation. See you soon.